Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the top 10 animations of the week and explaining what we think is great about them. Let's get started. So we're starting off today with an insane animation showing how adding an item to your cart can be more exciting using 3D animations. This one is so well executed and it feels so satisfying to add something to your cart this way. Our next animation is a nice interaction that shows you how you can move a file from one folder to another. It features some small fake 3D animations that illustrate this process. Just a quick note, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot of new content coming out soon. So now we have a very cool landing page animation. It's got really awesome hover states which show you the atmosphere of each project. Next up is a cute little loader animation. And now we've got an awesome 3D landing page featuring some glitch effects on the title and different elements, as well as some insane 3D transitions, which make this page super exciting. Next up is a nice 404 page featuring some colorful illustrations using underwater dark blue colors, as well as some very cute little buttons. And next we have a very interesting illustration which features a very warm atmosphere with some small animations on certain elements. And next we've got a nice landing page for booking a cruise with some animations on the titles and transitions, and you can see how the staggered effect is being used very effectively here, making it feel very smooth and natural. And next up we've got a landing page with animations based on photography and some very unusual transitions. And the winner for this week is this nice e-commerce animation showing how you can put your AirPods inside your cart with some staggered scrolling effects. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and share, and we'll see you next week for your inspiration of the week.